And here's a warm greeting from the Governor of Texas, Greg Abbott.
Hi, this is Governor Greg Abbott. Today we celebrate Juneteenth, a holiday that commemorates June 19, 1865, the day that slaves in Galveston heard the announcement of General Order No. 3 proclaiming freedom for all enslaved people in Texas. Since our founding, freedom has been the promise of America. And on June 19, 1865, that promise finally came to every American. So today, as you gather in Galveston, the birthplace of Juneteenth, we celebrate what America represents. Juneteenth is about our nation fulfilling its promise to ensure freedom for every American, from sea to shining sea. God bless, and happy Juneteenth.